In this lesson, we're diving into the realm of shopping and commerce with the word shina. This term is frequently encountered in stores, markets, and conversations about products. The word shina means goods or items in English. It refers to merchandise, products, or any tangible items that are being bought or sold. It's a versatile word often used in retail, shopping, and general commerce. The first kanji means goods, articles, or quality. In shohin, it contributes the sense of an item or product that is being sold. In hisutsu, it carries the idea of the level or standard of those goods, their quality. This item is popular. この品は人気があります。この品は人気があります。This is a good item. これはいい品です。これはいい品です。This item is popular. この品は人気です。この品は人気です。The most common synonyms of the word shina is shohin. This term shares a similar meaning, referring broadly to goods or products, primarily focusing on the notion of commercial merchandise. While shina is often about tangible items, shohin leans more towards commercial context, emphasizing their market value. The most common antonym of the word shina is keppin. This word indicates a lack of goods or out-of-stock items.